Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com Crocoin and I want to take a look at the overall crypto market as a whole. Without further ado, we are at 11,100 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away a loaded lion NFT. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, we are back down. We have made a move, about a 2.65% move to the downside on Bitcoin. It's taking the rest of the market down with it a little bit. Like I've been saying, this is basically exactly as I've predicted. We're retracing. I didn't think that the Bitcoin spot ETF news was going to be propelling us into the next bull market just yet. It is bullish news, but I don't think that we are off to the races just yet. The Bitcoin dominance level is at 48.84%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're sitting at about 50.84%. We are increasing steadily. We're doing lots of chopping around with the Bitcoin dominance level and the Bitcoin price. I do expect Bitcoin dominance level to increase to hopefully probably around the 55%, closer to that area when we get closer to the Bitcoin halving, because that will really give us an opportunity for these altcoins to really be shaken out and have great entry points, as well as create opportunities for new projects to flourish in this ecosystem coming into the next bull market. So over on Bitcoin right now, guys, we have bounced off. We've been trading in. We bounced above this support, or I should say resistance level. We were chopping around on it for quite some time, for about a week and a half, chopping on us after we capitulated down. We were bouncing on this resistance, bouncing on it, and we broke out. But right now, we are, when we look on the 4-hourly, starting to fall down. We got rejected off the 28,200, and now it looks like we're waterfalling down. And we're going to have to see where we start to bottom out. But as of right now, I could see us moving all the way down to 26,300. And you know, guys, when you zoom out, just know it's not a big deal. It's not a huge price move. We're just chopping around as we get into this next Bitcoin halving. We had about, when we look over at the monthly candles, we had about 6 to 7 months of green price action. And now it's time to have about 6 to 7 months of sideways chop and red price action. That's basically how it goes down for the year leading into the Bitcoin halving. This happens time and time again, where you have the 6 months leading up to it and then the 6 months of sideways chop. About a year of where it wrecks the bulls and wrecks the bears. It's just the year of accumulation, guys. Pay close attention. Don't get shaken out. We're going to have capitulation events like this right here that we just had, all the way down touching 24,000 with a swift recovery back to the upside, and then back right down, about to meet halfway in the middle at about 26,000. What are we trading at? $27,200, guys. Be prepared for lots of crazy sideways chop, boring price action. That's what happens. That's what happens in the year leading into the Bitcoin halving. But, guys, we're getting closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving. As we get closer, you're going to see more of these bullish articles, like the bullish article we saw the other day about the Bitcoin spot ETF for Grayscale Bitcoin being not approved, but the SEC was ruled against and in favor for Grayscale Bitcoin Trust in starting their Bitcoin spot ETF. Guys, there's going to be many more of those articles coming out. The closer and closer we get to this Bitcoin halving, and then after, we'll be off to the races. But guys, hold your horses, because we're not there just yet. We have a couple more months, probably about 5 to 10 more months, in my opinion, of sideways price action. There may be some big news events that come out that will propel us up above the $32,700 price level. And there may also be some news events that bring us down, but I am leaning a little bit more bearish leading up to the Bitcoin halving than bullish. But right after the halving, we're off to the races, guys. But we're going to pay close attention to that, see which way we can be headed here in the short term. All trading is probability and statistics. So we're going to have to take a look at this every single day and see where we're at. Over on Crocoin, guys, we are doing just all right. We are having a basically sideways day. We came down a little bit. Look at these wicks, guys. This is incredible to see. We had huge wicks. It's nuts to see that. But and then basically all just gets retraced down. I have been calling for closing out on this bottom of this wick here at 5 cents, but we did get that bullish price action to the upside when the Bitcoin spot ETF news came out about Grayscale Bitcoin. I still do believe that we could come back down here, But right now, in my opinion, we're kind of in a little bit of a space of limbo where there's a good chance that we could come and curl up here and touch this 5.5 cent price level. And there's also a good chance that we could just spill over right here and close out on that 5 cent price target for CRO. So we're going to have to be very, very diligent about paying attention to where we're headed here in the short term, especially if you're scalping or trading on the shorter term time frames, guys. But guys, if you like these quick updates, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Also, please follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I'm so close to 2,400 followers, sitting at 2,391. I'm really, really active on here, posting lots of informative content as well as different NFTs and different projects I'm looking at. Feel free to follow me there at 333Blacksea. Also, consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage on YouTube. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT Alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with CryptoKip and I, as well as when we reach 100 YouTube members, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin each month to one lucky member up until the Bitcoin halving event, which is about honestly, it's more about 9 months away. So that's 9 months of $500 Bitcoin giveaways, guys. So subscribe now, become a member. That's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.